G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just heading out for the night, and I've bought a new sleeping pad. It's one I bought specifically for the summer, let's say, the warmer weather. The value I think is R1.3, but it's a wide version but regular length, which I've been after. So when I get to camp, we'll go over it, show you it, and in the morning I'll let you know how I got on with it. Taking a look at the Mountain Designs Airlite 2 5.5 Air Mat. Now the size is irregular in centimetres, 188 by 60, so basically regular by a wide. Thickness 5.5 centimetres, which is just over 2 inches. Weight 560 grams, and the R value is 1.3. and it has got its own ASTM F3340-22. Now why did I get another one? Well, none of my warm weather ones, let's say summer ones, warm weather mats are wide. They're just irregular. And even though I'm not the tallest, my shoulders and arms do fall off the sides of the regular size mats. So this is a wide. So this is my third wide one now, and I have had great night's sleep on the other two. So we're going to test this out tonight. The temperature is going to get down to between 14 and 16 degrees Celsius. So it'll be perfect. I'm just sitting on the ground here. I can feel the ground is warm under my bum. It does come with a air sac, a waterproof one you can use as a bag liner, or put some stuff in. It is tape sealed, so some nice buckles, some webbing at the top just as a stiffener to help you roll it. And here's the valve, just a basic valve. You just pull it off, plug it into the sleep mat and inflate the sleep mat. Now I'm going to roll it out now, show you how many breaths it is, and just have an initial look at it, and then we'll come back. Hopefully I don't wake up in the night. If I do, I'll let you know, but hopefully we'll come back in the morning and I'll let you know how I slept on it and how comfortable it is. Now at the moment it's a campsite on the Bushcraft track, and there's nobody else here at the moment, so it's nice and quiet. So fingers crossed it stays that way. Decent little storage bag. So not the lightest, as you noticed, with it being, what did I say it was? 560 grams or 0.56 kilos. I've got the valve up this end. EMD 25011, made in China. Now I have pumped this up at home using the Flextail, and the Flextail does have an adapter which works on here, but I'm going to use the air pump here just to show you how many blows in the bag it takes. Two-way valve, pull the top one off to inflate it, push that down, I think by the looks of it. Oh no, it doesn't move it, but we'll give it a go when it's pumped up. And we've got a second end where you pull from the opposite side, which is a dump valve, lets the air out. Make sure that's in properly, yep. give it a push. Yeah, it's a nice fit. Get some air in and it goes in. There's one. That's two. That's three. Nearly there. Oh. So I started with half because I ended up letting half of it out. So it's 3 1/4. It's taken that all the way up. Let's get this out. There's no adjuster on it. No somewhere you push in here and it lets a little bit of air out. So let's see what it feels like. Now, like I said, I blew it up with the flex tail, but I didn't test it. Oh. Initially, my elbows aren't falling off, which is good. My hands aren't. Even without the pillow, it's quite comfortable. Fingers crossed, shall we? Hey, fingers crossed. So you've got these here with the welds connect both sides together, and also across here. That one's not air all the way through, it's just down the sides. I think that's to help give it strength. So these will trap warmth in. So this is for the warmer weather, because the only one I got with a lower R value on this is just a regular one, it's not as wide. But that does feel nice and comfortable. Let's see if there's any more info on the bag. Where is it? Up that way. No, but it feels like a nylon. Looks like it's a lip stop. Now, sitting on it, I'll be honest with you, I can feel the floor. My bum is actually on the floor. So if that's the thing that's going to bother you, it's good for you to know now before you go and buy one. But once I get to that position, there, just before the lay flat, it actually all lifts up and evenly spreads out. So yeah, if you're only going to be laying on it, let's try on the side. Not really a side sleeper anymore. Hips not touching the floor. I don't have much padding on my hips anymore, so I think if I go, yeah, if a bit of pressure just on the hip, it'll go through. But once I get the actual pressure spread across my torso as well, my hips lifted up off the ground again. There's not much more I can tell you now until the morning after I've had a night's sleep on it. So hopefully I don't wake up in the night. If I do, I'll let you know how it's going. And if I don't, I'll see you in the morning and I'll let you know how it went. I decided to sort of lay down earlier. And 4.5 hours later, just been woken up. Somebody else has got into camp. Comfortable so far, the sleeping mats. I'm go for a call of nature and then I'll get back to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. No, 6 o'clock. So it's over 12 hours on this sleep mat. It hasn't gone down. That's a big bonus. Comfort wise, not the most comfortable I've got, but it's definitely not uncomfortable. Back wasn't cold. The rest of me got cold during the night. Temperature was a lot lower than they said it was going to be. Hence, I ended up putting my t-shirt back on and putting this back on with the hood on it. Close the sleeping bag up to that, so we'll just be breathing out the hole. Yeah. Like I said, not that wasn't uncomfortable, so I'm happy with the sleep mat. Wasn't very expensive either. Nowhere near as expensive as my other sleep mats, so that's a bonus. I got it from, in Australia here, I got it from Anaconda, which is an outdoor store. So it's not much more now. Comfortable enough. Kept me back warm. I slept well on it. So I suppose that's a thumbs up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have and you're not already a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all so you get notified for future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.